Hi, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name's Maria and I share tips on perfecting the art of life, home, health, and style. I do fashion lookbooks, helpful reviews, home decor, and healthy living and recipe videos. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe. I have a fun unboxing and try on for you today. If you're new to style boxes, then this video will give you a great idea of what you can expect specifically from the TrunkClub style boxes. And if you're already familiar with TrunkClub and style boxes, well, I know it's just fun to see what everybody else gets. So even though I'm going to be going through a custom box that was made for me, I will make sure to look for everything that I can find a link to, so that if you see something you like, then at least you can recreate the whole look or pick out just one item and have something similar in your closet too. I did do an entire video explaining exactly how TrunkClub works, and I've also done a full review on STITCHFIX, so I will make sure to link those both below if you want really the deep details on how these style boxes work. Well, let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing and try on. I can tell my stylist looked at my notes and past orders because I have purchased some of these brands before and they all really look like pieces I will love. I got a total of 12 items. I had specifically asked for black jeans because my only pair got bleach on them, and black jeans are a definite staple in my wardrobe. My stylist sent me these Citizens of Humanity Emmanuel slim bootcut jeans. I haven't worn bootcut jeans in a while, so was excited to see how these looked. I love black jeans because you can dress them up or down. These are really long. I am 5'7" and had to find some heels to put on with these. This halogen blouse has lace and crepe fabric. It is very see-through though, so I did need to put a camisole underneath. Next, I got this BB Dakota Just Ride faux leather jacket. I asked my stylist for a moto jacket, but based on my taste, I was expecting brown leather or something not so edgy. But that's the fun of style boxes. Your stylist will push you out of your comfort zone and you might find something new that you normally wouldn't have looked at. What do you guys think of this leather jacket? This lightweight jacket from BB Dakota is called the Nicholson Faux Suede Drape Front Jacket. It is very thin and soft, and there are no closures on the front. It's just open and drapey. The sleeves have a stretchy section, so it's easy to slip on over a long sleeve shirt, and it's just really comfortable and so soft. I am definitely going to keep this one. This white halogen surplus top is so pretty, and I love the detail of the tie belt around the waist. You could remove this belt if you wanted to and replace it with a different belt to change up the look. This is just a very versatile blouse to have in your wardrobe. I switched into the other pair of black jeans I got from the Wit and Wisdom brand. They are the Absolution straight leg jeans. I have a pair of these Absolution pants, and they are so comfortable because the waistband is nice and thick and it's elastic. They are a good length too, and not too wide and not too slim at the bottom. They are just right. Next, I threw on this Leith midi open cardigan. It is very long, and I like the look because these longer cardigans, they make you look lean and mean. Okay, maybe not mean, but definitely lean. I really like this one, and the color is a deep reddish orange. Really pretty. These utility pants are from Caslon, and they're a very dark gray color, so they are a good neutral and casual pant for the fall and winter. They have little cargo pockets in the thigh area. They are skinny at the bottom, and so they fit really well in these little velour black boots I have on. So I got two blue chenille sweaters. This one is from Caslon. It's a long sleeve open cardigan. This really reminds me of the Barefoot Dreams cardigans that I have 4 or 5 of, and I pretty much live in them every winter. It's hard to tell the color, but you saw how bright blue this was in the unboxing section where I had a big window to show off the color. It's really pretty. The other blue chenille sweater is a pullover from the Sanctuary brand. It's also a royal blue. I think I have mentioned to my stylist in the past that I like soft materials, so she was listening, and what is softer than chenille? This Eliza J floral chiffon shift dress is such a pretty fabric. The floral pattern has touches of velour, and the material is sheer and delicate with a nice lining underneath. It is just a gorgeous dress. I have it on with these Tory Burch wedges here, but I think it would look really good also with those over-the-knee boots that I tried on in my Amazon haul. I think this would look so cute with those too. Lastly, I got these Bauble Bar Airy Threader earrings. They are very lightweight and super cute. All the jewelry from Bauble Bar is always well made and lasts a long time. So now all I have to do is mail everything back that I don't want, and then I go online to my receipt, and on that receipt I can write down feedback that I liked and things I didn't like about some of the items. They can send you a different size if it's available. And I just love the convenience of Trunk Club because you get a lot of things to try on, and then you can try them on with what you have in your closet at home, and it's just so convenient. So there was my unboxing and try on of my Trunk Club style box. Did you see anything that you wanted for yourself? I'll make sure to put all those links in the description box below. And if you liked this video and you want to see when I post more like it, don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to build a very happy and positive and helpful channel right here on Artsy Cupcake, and I would just love to hear from you and get to know you, so make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite item was in my style box and if you're going to pick it up for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy rest of your day.